Hi everyone, welcome to 110 Engineering. In today's tutorial we are going to discuss that how we can define the waveguide port for microstrip patch antennas. Many antenna design engineers use various values for the Xmin, Xmax and Zmax as a dimensions for the waveguide. However, some of the antenna design engineers use predefined formulas like the Xmin and Xmax values should be the 3 times the width of the feed line, and Zmax value should be the 4 times the height of the substrate. So these values and the calculation of these values is little bit complex, and some sort of typical method for defining the dimensions of the waveguide. So you can use the very important, easiest and the most accurate feature of the CST, which allows us to automatically calculate the dimensions of the waveguide and then construction of the waveguide. So it is very easy to define the waveguide by using this feature. So let's learn how you can define the automatically waveguide port in CST. So first of all, you have to just select the face of the feed line. So you can just select the face of the feed line, and then you can go to the home, and you can go to the macros, and from solver you have to select the port, and then you have to click on the calculate port extension coefficient. Okay, so a dialog box will be opened, and then you can just click on OK, and it will automatically calculate the dimensions for your waveguide port, and then you can just click on the construct port from the picked face. So you can see here that it has automatically constructed the waveguide for our antenna design. So after construction of this waveguide, when I simulated this antenna design, I was able to get the exact impedance matching, which is around 50 ohms. Similarly, it is going to provide us a good value of VSWR, which is around 1.18, and if I talk about its efficiency, then along with the other optimized parameter of this antenna design, obviously its port mechanism supports us to achieve greater than 90% of the efficiency, and total efficiency is also around 90%. So that's how you can define the waveguide port using automatic feature of the CST for defining the waveguide ports. Hopefully this video will help you to define the waveguide port for your design. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our future videos. Thank you so much.